I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials. Your government ID, the recipient's full name exactly as on ID, city and phone number, plus the cash or card you'll use. Once done, open the Western Union app or go to an agent location and choose Send Money. Make sure to pick cash pickup versus bank deposit. This determines the fields you'll complete. Enter amount and observe the displayed exchange rate and fee. Knowing these up front prevents surprises and informs whether you proceed now. Now complete the core form. Type the recipient's details again, choose payout method, and add your payment info. Once you select delivery speed, note faster options cost more. Compare cost versus urgency. Make sure to input the purpose of transfer if requested, and verify the beneficiary's bank routing or pickup location when required. Before submitting, review the breakdown for rate, fee, and total. Once you confirm, authorize the payment. Keep the transaction reference number for tracking and finish by collecting your receipt and the MTCN or reference number. This is essential for pickup or tracking. Once done, track the transfer online or in the app to confirm delivery. Make sure the recipient knows the MTCN and ID needed for pickup. If the transfer is delayed or the recipient can't collect, double-check spelling and payout method first. Errors cause holds. If problems persist, save all receipts and contact Western Union support with the MTCN. That single reference speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.